This is what's left of the park. Alright, this is Mom's Road. Looks like they're clearing stuff now. Just a little bit of stuff. Okay. Let's try to get out of here. God almighty. Are you seeing it? This road's not even clear. Can't go that way. Ooh. That's a big one. She's one lane. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. A little dangerous. Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of here before dark. Oh shit. Oh shit. There's Eddie, and there's the homie. I'm coming. So wait, say it again.
This is what I saw when I stepped out of my front door. I couldn't see Betsy's house.
I know, you still can't.
Still can't.
You don't want to be in it?
Sure, I don't mind.
I fell down in the storm. This is how Augusta is gonna rebuild. One tree trunk piece removed at a time. And amidst all the rubble, this beautiful Japanese maple remains, planted for Dennis E. Gabriel. Awesome lineman. Woo! Kiki's part.
Whoa, Mama, what's that?
What's that? That was the telephone or the electric pole. It's called a transformer. Wait. Slow down. Let me see.
That was not smart to do. And two, that's why you know it's a funnel.
So there's one house over here that got a ton of stuff. Oh, they're finally working on it. Look, this one.
I hope they escaped. They're not home. Can't get out.
Did you see there's a Cadillac under there?
More than likely.
It's a house. Really?
I want to go to my Papa.
Okay. Look how big those tree trunks are. Isn't that incredible? Look at that. Look how big that